like waking up early. It's just some days it's really hard. Today is Saturday, and I have to work. On a Saturday. Saturdays are not fun to work on, especially when I have to do leg day. Leg day depletes all of my energy. I'm gonna do it anyways. Minnesota, where it's always either raining, snowing, or too humid to even fucking breathe. Don't know if I mentioned, but I'm also working outside today. Currently downpouring. Alright, just got to the gym. We're gonna go crush legs. I'll be back shortly. Just give me a second. One thing I actually love about these workouts is they keep me focused and my day becomes more meaningful to me. Just because I'm not wasting time, I'm not laying around, I'm actually like doing something with my time, and it gives me a purpose. It makes me feel like I did something I invested in myself. And I think everyone could take some solace in the fact that if you push yourself each day just a little bit, each day you will inevitably become better, and that's just something you can't deny. Like pushing yourself to a point where you're uncomfortable, now that point becomes more comfortable, and if you keep doing that, you become so resilient that nothing can really stand in your way. So I think it's important, even if you don't want to, even on the days where I work, it's raining, holy shit, it's raining, and I'm not motivated to get out and do things. Shoot. Come on, man. I'm about to crash. Even when I'm not motivated to do things, I find that getting out and actually doing them suddenly just gives me this inspiration. So now I gotta go to work and I gotta eat some more food. A lot of rice. A lot of rice. Here we go. Okay, now I'm gonna go get my food. I'm gonna go get my food on in there. Oh God, it's so wet out. It's so wet. All right. All right, so I'm off to this work event now. I just ate some potatoes, so those are gonna give me some more energy, hopefully. I'm gonna just got out of the gym, and now I'm going straight to work, and I'm not gonna get done until way later tonight. So it's gonna be a long day, but it's what it is. I'm motivated, I got my stuff done already, so now it's time to move on to what is next.
work and grind it out and make my money. Oh shit. Motherfucker.
If you're really wondering, yeah, it's still raining, and the event is still outside. Okay. Well, I made it. I'm here, but my contact on the inside isn't answering their phone. I'm gonna figure this out. I'll be back after this shift. We got some more going on. Oh. Well, that took a lot longer than expected. I don't regret it. I enjoyed it. I got to see a Tim McGraw concert. It was awesome, but like after my workout, waking up so early and being here, it was just a lot. And I had to, it sounds stupid, but I had to give up my burger for the night. I was supposed to get a cheeseburger today, and that was just gonna go on top of my macros, but it's so late that everywhere is closed, so unless I wanted a McDonald's burger, which I'm not gonna waste myself on, I would have to have left earlier. But being here made me realize one thing, is that I can't be so obsessed with things like that, and being obsessed with especially food is a ridiculous thing. I eat a surplus of food. I eat more than most people are fortunate enough to be able to, and yet I crave things that I don't have. And it's kind of like I believe the human nature is that we get what we want, we do what we think is right, and then it's not enough. And I think that alone is a very toxic thing, and to get over it, which I'm trying to do, like I'm fighting this battle within myself about my diet, about working out, because in all reality, if I don't get to eat what I need to eat, or if I don't get to work out, or something screws up my routine, it really messes with me, and I need to kind of control that, because I need to realize it's not realistic to be that consistent, that things will happen like this tonight, and I have to find a way to make that work. So I'm gonna try to find a burger. I don't know if I will be able to. I know it sounds so stupid, just a burger, but if you knew how much I didn't get to eat, you realize. So here we go. Burger. Man, was it worth it. I was talking about how food was this obsession for me, and it's toxic. But at the same time, I look at those things and I think about how much I enjoy the simplest things. I mean, just a simple burger can change my mood. And I don't think a lot of people can say that. I feel good. I'm glad I did what I did. I went out. I saw a Tim McGraw concert for work, and I'm glad I met a lot of people and I was able to communicate. I'm glad I got to have a burger, and I enjoyed my day. But getting there, getting to the gym, getting to work, eating my food, and then almost missing out on a burger. The place was closing at like 11, and it was at that moment 10:45, and she let me put an order in. So almost missing out on a burger, getting a burger, and then making it home. It was a wild day, but I had a lot of time to reflect, and I think that's something that we all potentially need. Anyways, we go to bed. Because I pretty much have to wake up and do it all again tomorrow. Deuces.